Hi, my name is Charlotte Kramer and I work at Children's Hospital Los Angeles in the Innovation Studio. And we were here today for such an awesome design thinking session with such a variety of experts in a variety of different fields, all contributing towards this challenge that we've been facing. So our team has been working with the adolescent medicine team on looking at the transition of care. Although there's this great story that medicine is telling and that 500,000 kids are surviving their chronic conditions that previously they weren't, that means they're transferring into adult care, which they also previously weren't. So we've been working with the experts today on thinking about how we can leverage technology and artificial intelligence, machine learning, NLP to really design innovative interventions to assist that transfer of care and hopefully and ultimately save lives.
I think fast forward over the last few years, the world we are all in now and actively exploring with the digital health revolution and AI, that infrastructure layer has exploded into, I think, at least 5 component parts and maybe more, and maybe these terms will change, but for now, this is how we're thinking about it.
Hello, I'm Peter Asmuth. I'm an executive leader of strategy and innovation with Kaiser Permanente in Southern California. Today at Artificial Intelligence Los Angeles, we brought a problem statement that's unique to Kaiser Permanente, and I'll frame it as, with great power comes great responsibility. The Kaiser Permanente system has access to vast amounts of patient record data, and with that comes an ability to make predictions about health events and health outcomes that are unique to our data set. With that comes a struggle of creating a prioritization process to identify what predictions we should make and what to do with that prediction. Today we came together with a team that was diverse in background and awareness of chronic conditions and other issues that our patients might face, including prior film producers and circus performers.
Hi, my name is Michael Ip. I am an ophthalmologist on staff at the Doheny Eye Institute. The problem statement that we had is, how do we analyze these images in a more accurate and more effective manner than we currently are doing right now? It's very labor intensive. It was a great opportunity. It was a very unique meeting with a great opportunity to meet with a number of individuals who have expertise in a variety of areas, including artificial intelligence development. We have a general framework at this point, and the hope is that we're going to continue with the collaboration over the next year or so, and hopefully we'll be able to report back some of our findings. So it was a great opportunity. I appreciate the opportunity to be here. Thank you.